Wednesday is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with UNice hair, however you want to say it. Absolutely beautiful, full curly hair. Before we get started, I want to show you guys what comes in the packaging. So this is the box that the wig came in. It comes with a satin bag, a goodie bag with lashes, brush, head wrap, and a wig cap. It comes with sticky notes and another wig cap. They've been very generous with the wig caps and a robe. So this wig is actually going to be a giveaway wig. If you want to win this wig, make sure you leave a comment down below and you'll be receiving everything with that wig. I'm going to go ahead and use my lock and edge gel. Well, it's like an edge control, and I'm going to brush my hair back. This is what I've been doing recently because that edge control it has good products in it, but it's a little bit pricey. But yeah, I just use that to brush my hair back. And then I did my makeup, and I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig. So this is a breathable construction, and it does have like a sticky type of thing on the edges of it. As you can see, that shiny thing is the sticky part, and it has an area for you to put your band. So I just put the band back in. I took the band out because I washed the wig before I put it on. And these are the two products I'm going to be using today, my Ruby Kisses in the color 15 and my Alakay Naturals Lemongrass. So I'm going to head and put the Ruby Kisses foundation in the lace before I put the wig on, and then I'm going to put the wig on my head, and we'll see what we're dealing with. So this is how the wig is looking. This is a closure wig, so I am going to flatten out the root area and make sure that it's looking as natural as I possibly can get it. And then I'm going to do some baby hairs. I like doing baby hairs when I have glueless wigs because it just helps for the wig to stick down even better, and it just gives me like a nice look, especially with curly hair. I'm 9 times out of 10 gonna do baby hairs with my curly wigs. I refuse to wear my curly wigs with no baby hairs. Like, that's just not me. Then I needed to put a little bit more foundation, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm cutting the edges down a bit so it could be more natural. And I'm gonna go in with the gel and put that all over the hairline. This helps the wig, like, this is like a little hack. This helps the wig to stick down even better, and it gives it like a nice hold. So I'm going to just swoop the baby hairs. This is self-explanatory. I've been doing this on all of my videos, so I'm just going to play some music so you guys can watch. And then when you have something like this, I'm going to go ahead and spray my Ebin lace spray. This is the sensitive formula, and I'm going to spray it a little bit on the front. I don't know, I wanted it to stick down a little bit more, to stay on a little bit longer. And then I'm going to blow it for 8 to 10 minutes before I tie it down. So now I'm going to tie it down and just leave this tied down for about 10 more minutes. And then you know that it's really dry and perfect. And while it's drying, I decided I wanted to try a hairstyle, and I really did not like it. So this is why I'm speeding the video up. So I'm going to play some music so you guys can just watch my epic fail.
One of them ones. I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza because we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for century.
And I don't know, it just was not giving what I thought it was gonna give. So I just took the twist out, and then I was like, it actually looks really nice as like big hair. Like, look how pretty this looks. This looks so good in a twist out, like overnight twist the hair up and then take it out the next day. This will be super pretty. It's just giving like natural hair. Like, I dyed my natural hair this color, so I decided I wanted to add some tighter curls in it. So I'm using my pencil curling iron, and I'm just giving it some curls just all around the wig. I'm not doing the whole wig, I'm just doing specific sections.
No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are, and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless.
And then once I was satisfied, I end up having this look, and I think it's really pretty. Comment down below if you guys like the way that this wig looks. I absolutely like it. It's really nice and fluffy and big. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out UNice Hair. I will have their links down below. And also make sure you leave a comment to enter the giveaway. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning retirement, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a